So we got the Langmuir Crossfire Pro, and we're just gonna cut out a little welding, what do you call it? Welding square?
Cube.
Welding cube.
This is our version 2.0.
Yeah, version 2.0. The first one, our brake does not have tabs, so we weren't able to manually fold it together. So let's give it a go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Okay. And so this is our welding cube, just to do a little practice welding on. And the version 2, first one, we did solid ridges, and no, what did we do?
Yeah,
it was solid, but we could only get one bend in our brake. So.
Damn left-handed people. If we had a little die grinder.
Right.
But with this big ass grinder, yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
Well, there it is. Got it cut out. What's that?
You know how much I love grinders.
Yes. Alright. Ready for pickup. It's good.
Now we can just put that in the vise or a pair of pliers or whatever.
So there's our welding cube. Let's go ahead and get it squared up.
Cool, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, that's better than... Oh, here's our first one here. Somewhere. Oh,
Somewhere.
there it is. Let me give you the overview. So you see the gap on the top, and we basically had to just manually hammer it in to get it squared. But
see if the tabs break.
yeah,
So far so good.
oh yeah. Oh, you got music playing in your video.
That's in your head.
We're gonna copyright you.
It's okay, I don't get paid anyways. Fuck it. Let's see. Look at that. Ah, bastard. Don't break on me. Should have been the lid first. Man, I couldn't have done any better if it was me.
Well, there you go. We got our cube. Yeah, don't even need to weld it up. Just throw some numbers on it. It's ready for dice. There it is.
That one turned out good.
Yeah, it did.
See how easy that bent?
Yeah.
So I need to make those same tabs in the program.
Is
Fusion?
it? So, when you made that, is it something that you have to put the tabs in, or does it automatically do tabs?
On the Crossfire software, it on Fusion, when I do the post process for it, you just click tabs and it automatically adds them in there. The only thing I did was add distances. So I got them set at every inch, and I just did a tab at a 0.1 inch width. So it would give me just enough meat to hopefully not break out.
And would you be able to, can you do it without the tabs on the outside?
Not just by pressing that button.
Okay.
No, not that I know of.
Okay.
There might be a way.
Okay.
If there is, let me know in the comments. But I think what I'm gonna have to do is design these tabs into it.
Okay.
And then not do the tabs in the post process.
I got you.
So.
Oh, it looks good. Let's give it some welding.
Yeah.
Make it look ugly.
Make it look ugly.
Let's get it ugly.
I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.